cooperate with Tanfon Solar, government and quality assured. Just like our Congo client from the King's delegation. Hello.
Hello,
Mrs. Tanfon.
yes.
Yeah, so first of all, welcome to China and welcome to visit our Tanfon Solar factory today.
Thank you so much.
It's really a great honor for us to sign the 1.8 megawatt-hour community solar system project with you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
So we know that you are a very successful businesswoman in other fields.
Yes.
Right now, you're going to step into the solar business. So what's your idea? Why you choose Tanfon Solar to be your strategic cooperation partner?
I came into China to meet Tanfon because we've been speaking a lot on the phone.
Yes.
And I've come and find out that Tanfon is a very serious company, and the job they are doing is perfect. And I can see us going far with this solar business because it's a very, very important thing we can bring to our population in DRC. Yeah.
Okay, so actually, would you like to tell us more about the power status now in Congo?
Yes, we've got a serious problem of electricity. The big cities, they have electricity, but the small cities, they don't have.
Yeah, so
like this 1 megawatt we are taking is for a certain place where there is no electricity. Yes, so we really need it.
Yeah, totally no power supply there.
Yeah, totally no power.
So solar system became the first choice.
Yes, yeah, that's the first choice.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how are we going to establish this solar system together? What's your plan?
As I came here, we've met, and I'm also taking this opportunity of inviting you to my country.
Okay, so hope by this cooperation and all of our effort together, we can build a power system in Congo, to help to solve the solar power supply there.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tanfon Solar would be very looking forward to cooperate with you for a long-term business trip.
Thank you. That is also my prayer. As it is, we've got so much sun in DRC.
Yeah.
So with the sun we have in the DRC, we have today we've got our new president, President Felix Antoine Tshisekedi Chilombo, who's really, really working hard to help the Congolese people to have power.
Yeah.
And not only that, we've got the authority, the kings, and and everyone who's really behind this project to have power in this.
There is no doubt that we will help you and support you on this business, and help the people there to get the power for use, so we can together make a better society.
That would be nice.